Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply hide amounts shown in your balance wallet in WeChat Pay. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat. I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then go to Pay and Services. Then click on Wallet. Then go to Consumer Protection. Then click on Security Protection. Then click on Balance Privacy. Make sure you turn on this button. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.